Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And good evening. My name is Nur Khalid Wajiri Najer. Our topic is about a network performance and bandwidth. A network performance refer to the quality of service provided by user or measure quantitatively. It is evaluated through multiple key metrics including bandwidth, throughput, path latency, delay, jitter, variation in latency, and error rate. This metric collectively determine how efficiently determine reliably data is transmitted between devices. Bandwidth refers to the maximum data transfer rate of a network connection. Measure it in bits per second. It is important to note that bandwidth represents potential capacity, not the actual speed of the data transfer. In signal processing, bandwidth also refers to the range of frequencies used to transmit signal, measured in hertz. Number 1. What is the topic all about? Explain the concept in simple terms. A network performance and bandwidth are about how well a network works. Net performance is like how fast and reliably you can download files or watch video. Bandwidth is like the size of a pipe. For data, the bigger the pipe, the more data you can send at night. Question number 2. Why is the topic important in network and communication? Discuss its purpose and relevance. A network performance and bandwidth are the crucial because they determine how efficiently data is transferred. Good performance ensures smooth communication, fast data transfer, and reliable connection. This is vital for everything from browsing the internet to running complex business applications. Question number 3. How does this topic work? Describe the basic process or operation. A network performance depends on factors like bandwidth, latency, delay in packet loss. Bandwidth sets the maximum data transfer rate, while latency affects how quickly data arrives. Monitoring these factors help optimize network setting, upgrade hardware, or adjust configuration to improve overall performance. Question number 4. What are real-world applications of this topic? Give practical example. Real-world application of a network performance in bandwidth optimization in cloud, ensuring high bandwidth in low latency. For video streaming service like Netflix or YouTube, optimizing network performance to reduce lag and improve the gaming experience. In online game, managing bandwidth in data center to handle large volume of the data transfer and ensure clear audio and video during teleconferencing. Number 5. What are the advantage or challenge relate to this topic? Explain benefit, limitation, or issue. The advantage relate network performance and bandwidth in cloud, better productivity, improve user experience, and efficient data transfer. Improve user experience and efficient data transfer. Will the challenge involve bandwidth limitation, network congestion, and hardware constraint requiring continuous monitoring, optimization, and upgrades to manage this issue.